Earth. The place where we were born is a planet that has life on it. Not just any kind, either. The only known instance of intelligent self-awareness in our entire universe comes from humanity and their various forms across this little blue dot named Earth. The sun shines bright every day while giving off light energy, which helps sustain all these organisms living together as one system within nature's great picture book called EcoFriendly. Out of trillions upon billions of stars throughout space, there are probably none like ours because we're unique enough to call home. Humans are the most intelligent life form on Earth, but we have done so much damage to ourselves and our surroundings. We create waste through the pollution, which disrupts natural processes in all forms of life, including animals' habitats or food chains, as well as affecting weather patterns worldwide. This was never supposed to happen. We harm not only humans themselves by cutting down trees, without thinking about how they will affect other living beings that depend upon them for survival, but also Earth's health. Decreasing rainfall drought conditions can lead to populations declining even. With most soilless farming today, the little square-sized bright yellow polyurethane sponges were used for their seed germination, which is harmful to our environment as they don't break down in landfills once thrown away. It is ironic really because these cannot last very long and also cannot be reused after harvest time, leading us back into having new batches of seeds being planted with old technology. The little things we do can make a big difference for tomorrow. Known for its sustainable practices, F2F is a proven ecological farming system. Our patented eco-friendly process doesn't rely on sponges or any type of one-time use medium throughout the growing process, and this not only helps protect our environment, but also saves you from cultivating these harmful creatures in landfills once their job has been done. We evolved an eco-friendly farming system that works without harming the environment by using natural methods to provide nutrients needed in the system. Innovation is not easy, but it's worth the struggle. Simple and sustainable practices are key to creating innovative products that are noticeable and will benefit everyone in some way or another. We're here for you every step of this journey. Together we can make a better tomorrow emerge from our efforts today.